This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Robert Herrings Jr. Treat yourself to this open floor plan, metal-roofed residence sited on 1.19 acres. Special delights include ceiling fans, bright open floor plan and fireplace. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Parties are a pleasure when you have this modern kitchen with pantry, center island. Come see all the other advantages offered, such as wood-burning stove and dual vanities. This elegant home will captivate you. Handsome styling and beautiful amenities. For more information, review the details below or contact Robert Herrings Jr. at 254-547-9991.